done this on my handout. And so let me just show you with decimals what happens. So we still have the parent function, but this time we're going to be adding a number inside the parentheses before we square it. And so notice what happens with the graph. So the graph gets shifted to the left 3 units, and then we subtract the number in the parentheses. Then the graph gets shifted to the right 3 units. Let me do that again. Okay. So here's our parent function. And letter B, we're adding a 3, so we're going to move to the left 3 units. And then letter C, we're subtracting 3, so we're going to move to the right 3 units. So this is letter C. Okay, so in general, if you're adding a number in the parentheses before squaring it, or before taking the absolute value, etc., then if we're adding a number, we're going to move left. If we're subtracting a number, we're going to move right. So for example, here the parent function is the square root. Okay, so the square root looks like this. This is the parent function. And so for g of x, notice that we're subtracting a 4 inside of the square root. Since it's inside of the square root, then this is going to make our graph shift 4 units to the right. Notice the difference. Okay, if it's on the inside, this moves to the right. But if it's on the outside of the square root, then this moves down. Okay, so this is just an example, but this problem here is only shifting to the right. So if I could pick this point up, I'm going to move it to the right 4. So I would be here. So my graph will look something like this.